do you think on a medical management? Medical management is nothing but some type of pharmacological management. Sometimes in the pre-primary stage, we can reduce the hypertension by restricting the sodium intake, restricting some food intake. But up to some extent, we have to go for a pharmacological management. Now we will see about the pharmacological management in detail. So there are antihypertensive agents, beta blockers, thiazide type diuretics, ACE inhibitors, angiotensin II receptor blockers, and calcium channel blockers. These are the new terminologies for you. So beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, these are widely used as antihypertensive medicines. So the first is ACE inhibitors. The ACE inhibitors are angiotensin converting enzymes inhibitors, work by blocking the enzyme that convert angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2, a potent vasoconstrictor. So basically what will happen when the BP is elevated? So blood vessel will be narrowed, constricted. Okay, that could be because of angiotensin 1 or 2. Okay, so what we need to do, we have to dilate the vessel to reduce the blood pressure, right? Just imagine a pipe. If you are flowering a plant, so if your pipe diameter is less, your pressure will be high. If you want to reduce the pressure, what you will do? You will take a bigger size pipe, right? Like this. Just imagine our vessels are like a pipe. If they want to deliver a blood to a particular organs, what they need to do, they have to give some pressure, a particular pressure. If the pressure is constantly high, the particular organ will be get damaged, right? The kidneys will get damaged, the heart will get damaged. So for that matter, what we need to do, we have to keep a pressure in a optimum level. So how we will keep it? If naturally, then our body will do. If it is not, we have to do with this management. Okay. So first we will look for ACE inhibitors. It is a blocking the enzyme that converts angiotensin 1 to 2, a potent vasoconstrictor. So what is the action of angiotensin 1 and 2?